How to change currency in Plus500. Plus500 does not allow you to change the base currency of an existing account. If you want to use a different currency, you'll need to open a new account and choose your preferred currency during registration. You must log out of your current account, register a new one on the Plus500 website, and select the desired currency during the sign-up process. After verifying your identity, you can deposit funds in the new currency. Note that Plus500 charges a currency conversion fee of up to 0.7% if you trade instruments in a currency different from your account's base currency. Before closing your old account, make sure to withdraw all funds. If you need help, contact Plus500's customer support through their support page. Thanks for watching.